And this is the north side of the roof covering. And do you see this? Well, first place, let's kind of pick up where we left off. The fireplace chimney. Okay, we got a little bit of damaged vertical trim board right there. So it's on the northwest and southwest corners. We got some problems with the fireplace chimney. See this vent pipe here? See that white line right there? That's called stretched. That's called stretched. The roof has settled down, or the plumbing has moved up and caused the pipe to stretch, so that we have that little white line there. Now behind it, I can't see behind it, but I'm going to back up to the previous video. I noticed when I was coming down that the boot, the jack, has a dimple on the back of it. That's called buckling, and that can hold water. I got a still image of that. I'm also noticing, see that shiny spot right there on the flashing plate right there? Okay, so that nail head should have been sealed. That nail head should have been sealed. Just give me a little bit of time, I'll find things. That's what I do. I'm a hunter. Now, these shingles were cut a little long. That's why they're rolling off here. And maybe that is sealed with a clear sealant, because they used a clear sealant on this flashing. So what I can see best, maybe the camera pole will show us something, because we're going to have a camera pole. And then over here, when the vertical wall is perpendicular to the roof covering surface, where the roof covering surface terminates, there should be kick-out flashing right here, so that the water is directed into the rain gutter and then down. It doesn't allow the water to come down your walls. Brick is porous. Brick is porous.